In this guide, we are going over the silver ore location here in Subnautica 2. This is safe and easy. This is an early game guide. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if we're starting over at the life pod right now, what you're going to want to do is essentially just look up on the top and you need to make your way north, almost north, about a few degrees off, just like so. Just keep in mind you're going to need to bring a multi-tool, an air bladder, maybe a few flares as well. But essentially start making your way in that general direction right here. You don't really want to stray too far off from it. And you're heading about 220-ish meters from the life pod itself. You're going to pass by a bunch of different stuff. Just go ahead and ignore that. If you keep going in this direction, you're going to notice a little like wreckage over here. That's really what you're looking for. This is going to be a good like point of interest for you. Right next to it, you're going to see this giant little hole. Simply go ahead and exit out. And I'll pause real quick so you guys can see my coordinates down in the bottom right. But once again, it's only about 220 meters from the life pod. Swim down into this cave. And the cave does not go super deep at all, so just keep that in mind. But as you can see, we're going to get a ton of silver in this area. And there's not just silver in here. There's some other useful stuff as well, like copper. So just keep that in mind. And this is a pretty cool area to actually explore as well. And it's not too deep. Yeah, that's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.